Hi, my name is Laura Turner, and I am your child's teacher for TOK, or Theory of Knowledge. This is a morning class, and it's required for the IB diploma. I also was most likely your child's teacher for TOK in the spring of last year because it is a year-long class, but it's spring semester and fall semester. Our focus for fall semester is areas of knowledge as well as the two assessments. We've just started the first of the two assessments, which is the TOK exhibition. This is an individual assignment that students do, putting together almost like a 3-object museum exhibit based on a prescribed knowledge question. They should be fairly interesting, and I'm looking for figuring out how we can post them so that families can take a look at them as well, because I think they'll be really interesting. In November, we're going to move into working on the TOK essay, probably late November, close to Thanksgiving. The TOK essay is an externally assessed piece of the TOK grade. It's worth 2/3 of the grade, whereas the exhibition is worth 1/3 of the grade. And the TOK essay is a response written to one of 6 prompts that comes out from the IB every year. So we'll be taking a look at those questions in November and then spending a lot of time working on writing those essays. And that will culminate the TOK experience. So if you have any questions, you can get a hold of me at my email address, which is laturner@seattleschools.org. That's LA as in Language Arts Turner at seattleschools.org. And I'm happy to answer any questions that you might have. Thanks. Enjoy your night.